Ever feel like traditional banks nickel and dime you with hidden fees and low interest rates? You're not alone. In today's digital age, Canadians are increasingly seeking alternatives. One option that's been making waves is EQ Bank, Canada's first entirely digital bank. But with a new challenger in the ring, the question becomes, how many Canadians are actually making the switch, and is EQ Bank right for you? Let's face it, building wealth starts with smart banking habits. Finding an account that works for you, one that offers competitive interest rates and keeps your hard-earned money growing, is crucial. That's where EQ Bank steps in. Launched in 2016 by Equitable Bank, a reputable financial institution with over 50 years of experience, EQ Bank boasts a user-friendly mobile app and a focus on high-interest savings accounts. Sounds pretty good, right? But before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about the digital banking landscape in Canada. Traditional banks have dominated the scene for decades, offering a comfortable, familiar experience, even if it comes with some drawbacks. The rise of financial technology, or fintech for short, has disrupted this status quo. Companies like EQ Bank leverage technology to offer a streamlined, app-based banking experience, often with lower fees and more competitive rates. This digital shift is particularly appealing to younger generations who are comfortable managing their finances online. But is it just a fad, or is there a real advantage to going digital? Well, a study by EY Canada in 2022 found that 82% of Canadians already use online or mobile banking. That's a massive chunk of the population. This trend suggests that convenience and accessibility are key factors for many Canadians when choosing a financial institution. So, back to the question, how many people are actually using EQ Bank? As of April 2023, EQ Bank boasts over 578,000 customers. That's a significant number, especially considering it's a relatively new player in the game. This rapid growth speaks volumes about the appeal of their digital banking model and their competitive interest rates. But what about the flip side? Are there any downsides to consider before switching to a digital bank like EQ Bank? Here's where it's important to be realistic. Since they operate primarily online, digital banks often have fewer physical locations compared to traditional banks. This might be a drawback for those who prefer face-to-face interactions or require services like safety deposit boxes. Additionally, certain features like check deposits or instant cash access might be limited. Ultimately, the decision of whether EQ Bank is right for you depends on your individual needs and banking habits. If you're comfortable managing your finances online and prioritize high interest rates and low fees, EQ Bank could be a great fit. However, if you rely on frequent branch visits or require specific features only available at traditional banks, then EQ Bank might not be the best option. The good news? Competition breeds innovation. The rise of digital banks like EQ Bank is putting pressure on traditional institutions to offer more competitive rates and improve their online services. This benefits all Canadians, regardless of who they bank with. So, whether you choose EQ Bank or stick with your current provider, do your research and make sure you're getting the most out of your hard-earned money. Remember, a smart banking strategy is the foundation for a secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.